Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, students, today we are going to continue our chapter 4 subtraction. In this chapter, what we have learned till now, we have learned about the addition and subtraction of fractions. Now, we will learn the mixed problem on addition and subtraction of fractions, means we will add and subtract together. Okay, so let's get started. So, simplify a 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. In this question, the fraction is having addition sign also and subtraction sign also. To how to solve this fraction? Firstly, what we have to do is, we have to take the LCM of 8, 4 and 6. I have made rough column here and I have find out the LCM 8, 4 and 6. The LCM of 8, 4 and 6 is 24, right? So 24. Now what is the next step? Now we have to convert all the fractions with the denominator 24. Now 3 by 8. Okay, now we have to convert this 8 denominator into 24. So what I will multiply 8 with 3 to get 24. The number that I multiplied in the denominator, same number I have to multiply it with the numerator also. 3 and 3. So what will be the answer? 9 by 24. So the value of 3 by 8 is 9 by 24. So we can place 9 by 24 in place of 3 by 8. Now we will see 1 by 4. Now I'll multiply 4 with 6 to make it 24. Okay, and 6, the same number I will multiply it with the numerator. The answer will be 6 by 24. The value of 1 by 4 is equals to 6 by 24. So we can put 6 by 24 in place of 1 by 4. Now coming to the next, 1 by 6. 1 by 6, I'll multiply denominator with 4 to get 24. 6 fours are 24 and numerator also I have to multiply it with 4. Okay, this way we will multiply it. Okay, so these are the values of 3 by 8. The value of 3 by 8 is 9 by 24. The value of 1 by 4 is 6 by 24. And value of 1 by 6 is 4 by 24. Now we will place this values 9 by 24, 6 by 24, 4 by 24 in place of this number 3 by 8, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. And signs will remain the same. So 9 by 24 we will place it in place of 3 by 8. Then I will put subtraction sign. Then in place of 1 by 4 I will put 6 by 24. And in place of 1 by 6 I will put 4 by 24. Now I will take this as a common denominator with 24. I have written here. And now I will firstly, according to Demar's rule, we have to divide first, then we will multiply, then we will add, then we will subtract. So in this addition and subtraction is there. So firstly we will add the numbers. Okay, so firstly we will do the addition, then we will subtract the number. So 9, we will add 4 to 9. Okay, 9 and 4, and after that adding 9 and 4 we will subtract 6. So first of all we have to add, and after addition we have to do the subtraction. So what will be the answer? 13 minus 6 and 24. So answer will be 7 upon 24. This will be the answer. Now we will simplify the mixed fractions. How to simplify the mixed fraction? Firstly, the first step is to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How we will convert? Firstly, we will multiply denominator with the whole number 3 multiplied by 2. Then we will add 2 to it and denominator we will write as it is. Then addition sign is there. So I have put addition sign. Then after that we will convert this 6 multiplied by 3 plus 5 upon me 6. Now I'll convert this into improper fraction 4 multiplied by 1 plus 1 upon me 4. Okay, so what will be the answer? 8 by 3 plus 23 by 6 minus 5 by 4. So all the denominators are different. What we have to do, we will take the LCM. 3, 6 and 4. I have taken here, I have solved it here. The LCM of 3, 6 and 4 is 12. So LCM. Now we will make all 8 by 3, 23 by 6 and 5 by 4 as an equivalent fraction, in which we will take 12 as a common denominator. Okay, so how to convert it? Let's see. 8 by 3. So for making 3 equivalent to the 12, we will multiply 4. So in denominator we have multiplied 4. So in numerator also we will multiply 4. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. Now 23 by 6. 6 2s are 12. Then I have to multiply 23 also with 2. It's the same number. I have to multiply numerator also. So what is the answer? 46 by 12. Then 5 by 4 is equals to 4 multiplied by 3, we will get 12 as a denominator. Then here numerator also we have to multiply by 3. Then we will get 15 by 12. Okay, now what is the next step? We will place 32 by 12, 46 by 12, 15 by 12 in place of these values. 8 by 3, 23 by 6 minus 5 by 4. Now I am putting these values. 32 by 12 plus 46 by 12 minus 15 by 12. Now we will add first 32 plus 46 we will add, then we will subtract 15 from it. Okay, so what will be the answer? 78. Firstly we have added 32 and 46, we will get 78. Then we will subtract 15 out of it. What we will get? We will get 63 and denominator is 12. So this will be the answer. So students, I hope you all have understood it. So kindly solve your exercise 4.8 in your rough notebook as well as 4.9 also in your rough notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.